Beishlo.bk, an online women-centered marketplace to help women digitize their businesses and sell their things. Check us out on Beishlo.bk's website and at Insta at Beishlo.
I think Beishlo is a great initiative, especially because it's like women-centered. The fact that it's like a one and all just thing where you can just send your things and they do things for you as well. Like I basically found out about them when somebody was doing a closet sale. So I think that's a really great idea, and the fact that they can help and support with these things is really good. And I think if they come up with their other platforms like on Facebook, it's going to give them a good opportunity to grow as well, and for other women to come on board, get the support, get more initiatives and more platforms to basically just grow.
Hi, so I have been collaborating with Beishlo since almost 3-4 months now, and I'm loving it. They have it's like a great place, a great platform for you to declutter your wardrobe, or even you can get new stuff from them. So do check them out. I love it, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Beishlo.pk, for being here at Buzzing Bees. So glad you guys are here. All the ladies are here, mashallah, having a great time. We are completely supportive of all sort of women empowerment sort of initiatives, and wishing Beishlo all the very best. Buzzing Bees is always there to support all the ladies around Karachi, around Pakistan, and more power to you guys. Super.
Anam, so I'm here at the period arranged by Beishlo.pk. I really like the concept of Beishlo.pk because वहाँ पर इतना कुछ होता है जो कि हमें लगता है हम use नहीं कर रहे हैं. So why not to set it out? And this is a platform where you can easily trust somebody and जिसको चाहिए वो खरीद सकता है बहुत आराम से. So do trust and do use Beishlo.pk so that you can actually declutter your closets and have some new stuff into it.